Now the next thing is to display the banner images, the uploaded images here on the banner screen. So for that purpose, let's go back to our banner screen dot, and what we can do is, after our form, let's add here a comment that is, this is our upload form, and then after this, display banners. So first we will add our title, so using this container widget. Alignment for this will be top left, padding will from all sides 10, and then we can say child const text widget. We can say uploaded banners list colon. This will be the title. You can say uploaded banners list, or you can say available banners list, like which is already uploaded. Okay. And then after this, we will add some space of size box height 16, and then inside the widgets, right click on widgets, new, let's create a new dot file. We will give it name as banners underscore list widget. Okay, this will be banner list widget, and we can say import. We are going to create a reusable design for displaying the image for each banner. So we can say stat list widget, we will give it name as banner list, and then in our banner view model, let's create a new method in which we will write a query for getting the banners from the database. So we can give it name as read banners from Firestore, which is our database name. So we can say stream query snapshot banners stream query snapshot, and then let's write a query Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection. You know, the collection inside the database is by the name banners, so we have to say dot snapshots, which means get all the banners from the database. Let's break this in pieces so that we can see the code easily. So this method will return us the banner stream query snapshot, which contains the banners data coming from the database. So what we can do is, now on our banners list, we can simply say here that is stream builder, and it has two parameters, stream builder. The stream is basically, make sure to add here, it is query snapshot. The stream builder query snapshot is the query which we write, which you already know, which is basically this one. Okay, by calling this method, it will return us this. So let's call this method. So we can say banner view model dot read banner from Firestore.